What's going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. Today we're going to pull some orders from eBay and Poshmark, but before we get into that, I want to show you something that I bought recently. So, you know, I actually had said in a maybe not the last video, maybe the prior video, that it might be the end of an era. All these Fanatics youth jerseys, men's jerseys, women's jerseys, but primarily youth hockey jerseys. I said, like, you know, the store that I get these from is kind of dried up. I don't know if I'll be able to get them anymore. Well, I kind of reached out to a different store, the same chain, but a different store in my area, and I was able to get them to ship me a bunch. So I made a big order online. It just got here. I'm going to kind of break it down, show you what I got, how much I spent. What do I expect to make off them? Well, you know, you've seen in the past me sell youth jerseys for anywhere between $30 to $40 US. Adult jerseys anywhere from like $60 to $180 Canadian. They're all over the place, but essentially there's a big box right there. I'm gonna show it to you guys, and I think going into Q4, if I get these things listed right away, I think we can move a lot of them. All right, so I just opened up this box just enough to get the total. So right there, you see I paid $398.62 for these jerseys. Okay, shipping cost me $22.89. This is all Canadian. Taxes, I paid $28.13 tax. Total I'm in on this box right here for $449.64. I wasn't sure how I was going to show you this because when I opened it, I didn't know how it was going to be displayed. Okay, so I went ahead and ordered a bunch more jerseys, mostly youth jerseys. Okay, how many total? I don't remember. A lot. Okay, I'm just going to get a little box or something here so I can throw them into a different box as I take them out. But I'll show you all the ones I got. I got a couple women's, I think, and the rest are all youth. But I'll show you quickly what I got. And like I said, I spent some good money, but you know, the youth jerseys, I pay about $9.99 for those. Some are even less. It doesn't actually say in the jersey, but it does say on the receipt. Some of them were about $6. I'll show you the ones that I picked up though. The youth ones I'm typically selling for anywhere between $30 and $40 US. And the adult jerseys typically 60 to 80. So, you know, it's pretty good. Let me get another little box so I can throw these in a different box and we will go through them quick. All right, so we're going to start off with this Nashville Predators jersey. It is a youth size XL. The cool thing here is these ones, they put another label over top so you can't see the sales. The sale that they had on, which is okay because before I had to peel them off. So we have that one. We have a Blues jersey right here. This is another youth jersey. This one is not stitched. It's just a vinyl front or a patch or whatever. This one here is a Sharks jersey, okay? I'm just trying to see what they threw on here. I'll wind up having to open these up and take pictures, but it's kind of cool that they're all nice bags. We have an LA Kings youth jersey here. For the youth jerseys, I only buy the large, extra large, because they seem to be a good size. Okay, so here's the first adult jersey. It is a Calgary Flames jersey. I think this one I paid $19 for. I'll throw the correct numbers up for these when I edit some of the jerseys or whatever. But yeah, this is a 5XL, so this is a big guy right there. That's a men's jersey. This is a youth XL. It's a Coyotes jersey, pretty nice one. Another Coyotes jersey. I did get doubles of some of these ones. Youth XL on that one as well. Another one Blues jersey. Another St. Louis Blues jersey. These are both going to be youth jerseys. Okay. Another Blues jersey, a youth jersey, but they're slightly different colorways is why I picked them. I think this is a women's jersey actually. Oh, so actually I grabbed the Kings jersey. So that's a Kings jersey. Then we have a women's size medium Jets jersey. Try to go through these a little quicker possibly. You guys get the idea. There's a Blues jersey. A really cool Winnipeg jersey. This one is I think it's a women's small. I'll have to fact check that. Another Predators jersey. We have some Penguins jerseys. You can see there's a lot. I'm about halfway through the box. Another Kings jersey. Another Predators jersey. Yeah, Penguins jersey, another Kings jersey, Blues jersey. Just trying to get into something different. Some different colorways here. So different Penguins jersey. We have some Flyers jerseys. These are also going to be youth. And you guys just see me sell a couple of these Flyers jerseys when I picked them up last time I went. Okay, another Penguins. What do we got? Another Predators. another Predators, another Blues jersey, some more of these, some more of these, another Kings jersey, another Kings jersey. What do we got here? Washington Capitals, I think, and another Sharks jersey. So a lot. Okay, I'll break down here in a minute. I'll try to take a look at this sheet here and give you an idea of how many I got total. So number of items total, it says 38. So in total, there's 38 jerseys. Certainly feels like a lot more when you're trying to go through them quickly. But I think going into Q4, this is going to be something really great to have. I'm not into them very much at all. Most of the youth jerseys were $9.99, excluding Winnipeg's Jets jersey, women's jersey, $14. I paid for that one. I thought there was some for $6, but I guess not. There was also a Predators women's jersey for $14, another Jets jersey. The men's 5XL jersey, that was $19.99. I just got one of those, and it looks like the rest of them are all youth jerseys. But I'm pretty happy with that. Let's pull some orders. We made an eBay sale, and it's a single cartridge. It's Donkey Kong Jr. for the Atari 2600, $14.99, which is about $20 Canadian plus shipping. So this is one of the individual games that I have listed for the Atari out of that attic buy. But there it is, right there, Donkey Kong Jr., right around $20 Canadian. Let's get this guy out. We sold a VHS on eBay. Okay, Psycho Cop 2, and you can see it's got a little bit of damage in the corner, and I did try to show that the best that I could, which, you know, I don't know how else I would show that. $24.95 is what I had listed it for. Accepted an offer of $22 USD. This came from the same attic as the Donkey Kong did, actually, and the Mega Man from last week, and hopefully a whole bunch more stuff that you see sell coming up here in the channel. But there it is right here. It is a VHS. You know, I tried to show that I had stickers on it. There was flaws on it. It's definitely a used VHS, but this is a pretty good one. You know, Psycho Cop 2, I think, well, it's not crazy. It's not like a $100 VHS, but it's one that's still worth selling online. Okay, so I don't know. It's probably around $30 Canadian, considering what I have into it. I still think that's pretty good. These horror movies, I would look them up if you see them. I just grabbed them all because I got them so cheap, and just, you know, some are going to go to my booth, some are going to get sold just like this on eBay. But if you see old VHS horror movies, definitely look them up. We sold a t-shirt. I think it's a 90s t-shirt I have. Vintage 90s, Russ Wood. Okay, it's a racing shirt. Pretty cool. Had it listed for $27.94. Accepted an offer on this one of $24 USD. It's supposed to be in clothing 1. Sometimes these clothing bins, this one feels pretty heavy. Can be tricky because it could be deep down. But we will dig around for a minute, try to find it. There we go. I think this could be it. This could be it. Let's see. Yeah, pretty sure. We'll double check with the photo here, but I'm pretty sure that's what we're looking for. Yes, that is it right there. $24 USD on this t-shirt. We sold a Hello Kitty necklace on eBay. This one is Hello Kitty collab with Kiss. Okay, pretty cool. It's the back of it there. I think it's 2012. I got this in a big garage clear out. This guy had a lot of liquidation stuff and store closeout stuff, and there was a lot of stuff. I'll try to link that video down below if you haven't seen it. It was a big it was a big job for sure. There was a lot of stuff I donated, but that's where this came from. So buy cost, a little unclear. I have one right there, but I have one packaged up right here because this was actually the same one. This was actually a return from Poshmark US. It came back as couldn't deliver to the address, so that rarely happens, but it's still packaged up, ready to go. So I'm just going to take this one, slide it in a package, and we'll get it out. We sold a women's torrid jacket on eBay. So it's fake leather. It's sort of like a biker motorcycle style jacket, okay? $29.99 USD. So I've moved this one over to the US eBay. US.com. I don't know why I said it like that. That was weird. So yeah, this one, I moved this over to eBay.com, so it's in US dollars. $29.99 for this torrid jacket. I think I paid about maybe $11 Canadian at my local thrift store. So I don't know, it's not the best flip ever, but these jackets do sell. This one's in really nice condition. I thought my wife actually might have liked this one when I picked it up, but she actually already has a very similar one, so she said go ahead and sell it. So we did. We sold a vintage G.I. Joe on eBay. Okay, this was a good one. I showed this in the Scott Sell Stuff show. I showed this as part of my attic attic clear out video, $95 USD. I also mentioned, I show the flaws, but I also mentioned in the description that this guy does need a good cleanup. You can see right here there's some red coloring and stuff, but you know, $95 USD, that's $132 Canadian plus shipping. I wasn't sure what I was going to get for this guy. I did see really good comps for him too, but not exactly with the same clothing, but the same face, the same hair. Some of the ones with this hairline, it looked like they were a brighter red, but regardless, we did get this guy. He does have accessories, which is cool too, right? He's got the bag, he's got the boots. You know, other than that, he's just a regular old Joe. $90 on this guy, or $95 USD. Very happy with this Joe sale. We sold a rare jacket on eBay. Is it super rare? I don't know about super rare, but rare enough that it's still worth, well, I had it listed for 165 US. That's not what I got. It's a My Chemical Romance jacket. It's not a great, oh no, it's size large. I was thinking this was a smaller size. It is a good size actually, size large. Had to wait a while. So I was trying to figure out with my wife the timeline for this. So this past year for her birthday, we went to Pittsburgh to a baseball game, and then we drove to Philadelphia to another baseball game, all within a couple of days. And then when we came home back to Ontario, we stopped at a couple mom and pop thrift shops. I don't think I filmed this though, but I think I showed it on the channel, and I found this jacket. I found this jacket in an Olympics jacket. I think all jackets were like $5 US, something like that. I didn't pay much at all. It wound up selling on eBay. Eventually, like I said, this was purchased in May of this year. It took this long. I think My Chemical Romance just announced like a Black Parade reunion tour or something like that, or they're going to play that album in its entirety. So that probably has something to do with this sale as well. But I did wind up getting, after going back and forth with somebody, $125 USD on this jacket. Very happy with that. I'm definitely okay with that. And yeah, happy to get this one out. We sold another Atari game on eBay. This is for the Atari, I think 7800. It's Tomcat. I think it's a flight simulator game. It's going to be over here. Sold for, I think, about $18 USD, which is, I'm not sure how much that is actually. Probably like 25 bucks. Yeah, 25.14. There we go. Let's get this guy out. We made a Poshmark.com order, sale I should say, $25 USD for this Team Nike 2022 World Cup jersey. Size small, unfortunately, but I did pick this up at my local Goodwill for t-shirt price, so about $4.79. And it wound up selling on Poshmark.com for $25 USD. Like I said, unfortunately, if it was a better, I can't grab it the right way, if it was a better size, I think we could have got a little bit more money, but still happy with the sale. Another Poshmark.com order and another jersey sale. You've probably seen this one sitting behind me. $37 USD for this women's size medium Winnipeg Jets jersey. It's been sitting here for a little while now. You guys probably seen it sitting here. It's a blank, and it is a women's medium. I think in that box I showed you earlier, I have one to replace this. That just happened to be the way it worked out. I wasn't really planning on that, but you know, we sold this one. It probably has the original store price on this one. Yep, so $14.99 Canadian I spent on this. Regularly $144. Good chance too, when I bought this, even for $14.99 in store, they run sales on in store, so I might have paid less than that anyway. But regardless, you know, I can't wait to get the rest of those jerseys listed that I showed you earlier in the video, because we'll see a lot more sales just like this. So we're back in the house this afternoon, and we're going to get some of these jerseys listed. Well, that's the plan. I'm going to get some pictures taken, get them in drafts. I'm going to list them probably eBay first. So I always do eBay first, then I list Poshmark Canada, Poshmark US, and Depop. So we're going to get them listed across all 4 platforms. You know, I'm going to probably do maybe 5 a day, every single day, plus some stuff that I just picked up, like video game related stuff like that. But I do want to get these up probably in the next probably 4 or 5 days. I should have this whole box up. I could do it faster, but you know, I just sort of want to do daily drops just to keep my store moving and getting lots of new listings up as well. Anyway, we're going to end this one here. If you guys like videos like this, please give this a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. We'll see you guys soon.